At this point, you might as well throw out this PC, bro.
It's like,
After we get
this.
Yeah, it's like, I ain't putting this shit back together. It's like, it's not like anyone's using it.
Yeah, it's not getting used, but it's we're doing it for science, you know?
Yeah.
But what are you taking out right here?
The Wi-Fi card.
The Wi-Fi card. All right.
It's taped.
Let's zoom right in here. The Wi-Fi card.
It's like taped on it.
It's stuck on there with tape.
There you go.
Alrighty then. Okay, let's take a better look at this Wi-Fi card.
This beast.
Yeah, it's a beast of a Wi-Fi card. Whoa.
Whoa.
There it is. Wi-Fi card.
Yep.
Let's say AzureWave on it. What else does it say? Hold on a minute. So it's an AzureWave. I can't really read that other stuff. I'm trying to zoom in. When I zoom in, my camera can't handle it. So what does this thing do?
Just gives you a Wi-Fi signal.
So without this, there's no way.
Getting Wi-Fi.
There's no Wi-Fi that can run to the machine without the Wi-Fi card.
Yeah.
And like, this must be kind of an ancient Wi-Fi card, right?
Probably.
So it's like, it still has the same like specifications on it, like the symbols that indicate that it's been tested in the lab and whatnot. It's got some like codes on it and
codes and symbols.
Symbols, and I think some, is that Chinese lettering on there or Taiwanese or no? That's actually just some normal letters.
This thing, this wire here is like the antenna.
That's how
it goes up to like inside the screen, so it can have like an antenna kind of.
Really?
Yeah.
So this thing plugs in where?
It plugged into this thing.
Hold on, let me see. Like just right there?
Yeah, like right this white thing.
That thing, that's where it went.
Yeah.
And then that wires up to the...
It goes like behind the screen or somewhere here, I guess, and then it sort of like gives you an antenna, sort of.
Huh, okay. But this is the main Wi-Fi thingamabob. Wow, amazing. What's on the other side of it? Let's just get a little peek here. I can't aim the camera. Oh, some more numbers and stuff. So yeah, if you're interested in this lovely thing, selling it for like $80 right now. OBO. Yeah, 80 or OBO. So be on the lookout for that. I mean, like if you're needing one of these, if you're really craving one, really needing it really bad,
we're selling it.
We're selling it. So like you're not gonna find one of these. I mean, unless you go anywhere else online, probably can find one anywhere. But if you're here on the video watching it right now, this thing is like fucking hot, ready to go. It's like
hot and ready.
Hot and ready. Wait, take one more peek before we like close the video off. This is only a 3-minute video. I like the videos to be a bit longer, but
I mean, you can only make such a long video for just this Wi-Fi card.
Such a simple part.
Yeah.
But how much like would a card, if you had to replace a Wi-Fi card, like get a modern one, like how much would this cost just online?
Probably like $40. I don't know.
Is this part of it? Wait, where'd that thing go? That's not part of the Wi-Fi thing, is it?
No.
And
that was on the CPU.
And this piece of broken plastic, not part of it?
No.
Anyway, I guess that's it. What the hell? Okay, see ya.
See ya.